Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8 Subject Social Science chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Human Resources. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the growth of the population and which are the reason for the growth of the population. Then dear children, you know very well that in the reasons of the population growth, if you have to see, then in the previous time, in the older time, the infant mortality rate was high and there was no control over the disease like cholera, typhoid, plague, etc. Also, the people died due to the hunger, famine, lack of medical facility, etc. are the reason for regarding with the for the population growth in India. After they are given that all this reason does not allow the population to grow much. But if you have to see the other side, then you can say that now the scenario has changed into the India into the present time. Over the period of the time, now Indian society has come out of this thing, so the population has increased. After the food and the nutrition is available easily and sufficiently due to the advancement of the medical facility. Patient can be treated well and spread the communicable disease can be the stop concern. Disaster management has become the very advanced. After we can say that all this improve the facility and the advancement has decreased the death rate, hence the population growth rate has to be the take place. This all these things, dear children, we have to learn into the previous lecture. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the density of the population. What happened, dear children? Today we have to learn about the density of the population. So, dear children, open the page number 43 from your textbook. The average number of the people living per square kilometer. What they are given there, dear children, underline. They are saying that the average number of people who are living per square kilometer area is termed as the density of the population. What is the density of the population? The average number of the people. What the average number of the people living as per square kilometer area is termed as the density of the population. Population density is associated with socially, economically and geographically conditions. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that the population density is associated with social, economical and geographical condition. Like example, if you have to understand these things, just you have to understand through one example. Suppose you take one example to understand the density of the population. For example, Azad Nagar. This is the name of the Nagar place that Azad Nagar is spread over the area of the 4 square kilometer. How much? The Azad Nagar is spread over the area of 4 kilometer and its population is 1000 person. Azad Nagar population is 1000 and this area is spread into how much? 4 kilometer. So then the population of the density of the Azad Nagar, then we have to find that 1000 population divided by area, it means 4 square kilometer. 1000 divided by 4, then you get the 250 persons per square kilometer. So in another word, we can say that 250 persons lives in 1 square kilometer of the Azad Nagar. This is the information to find out the density of the population. After, dear children, they have given the name of the top 10 countries in the term of the population in your textbook. Now turn your page number 44. Now they have given that population is various from the country to the country. If you have to see, then what happened that, dear children, you know very well that the population is various from the country to country. Same way, they have to say that even in country, if you have to see that all the region or the states don't have the same population. Dear children, what they are saying there, they are saying that if you have to see all the states of India, and all the states of India have no same population. Every state have a different population. There is no uniformity in the distribution of the population. And that's why they have to say that there is no uniformity for the distribution of the population. Population density is high in the fertile alluvial plains of the river, delta, industrial area, and etc. What they are saying that here children, where you have to find the more population density, then we have to find the more population density in very fertile alluvial plains near the river, delta, industrial area, and the etc. So here dear children, I like that population density we have to find high in the fertile alluvial plains of the river, delta, industrial areas. Also, they are saying that on the another hand, if you have to see that the population density is lower in the area like desert, mountain, forest due to the unfavorable condition. Why in this area we have to find out the population density is lower? Because here the favorable condition is which kind of the unfavorable, and because of that in desert area, mountain, forest area we have find out the population density is lower one. After dear children, they have to given the next one, just you have to see in the page number 45, that which are the factors that affect the density of the population. Now what they are given that dear children, they have to given that which are the factors that affect the density of the population. The density of the population is affected by the various geographical factors. So what they are saying that dear children, they are saying that density of the population was affected by the various geographical factors like altitude, climate, weather, topography, types of crops, availability of the minerals, water, energy sources, etc. These all are the factors that affect the density of the population. Which are the factor various that can affect the density of the population? Then dear children, we can say the various geographical factors that affect the density of the population, like example altitude, climate, weather, topography, types of crops, availability of the minerals, water, and the energy sources are the various geographical factors that affect the density of the population. Now if you have to see the another side, then we can say that along with it, transportation, communication facility, education facility, healthcare facility, industrialization, employment opportunity, urbanization, latest technology also affect the density of the population. Which are the other factors that are affect the density of the population? Underline it dear children. You have also included the transportation and communication facility, education and healthcare facility, industrialization, employment, urbanization, latest technology, good infrastructure where the people are interested to live there. If you to see the top 5 district in the population of the density of the Gujarat, then you know very well that Surat is the district where the highest you to find the population density. Surat is there, Ahmedabad, Anand, Gandhinagar, Navsari. This all are the top 5 districts of the Gujarat where we have to find out the more population density per square kilometer. Now, dear children, you have to given that which are the 5 states having the maximum population. Then we can say the Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. These all are the major states. 5 states that have the maximum population is them. Now, which are the 5 states in the Union Territory? We have to find out the least population. It means the less population. Then we can say that Lakshadweep Island, Diu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Andaman Nicobar Island, and Sikkim. These all are the states in the Union Territory having you to find out the least population. Now next one, dear children, they have given about the information on the birth rate. Which one? Birth rate. The total alive infant in 1 year per 1,000 person in a given area is known as a birth rate. What they are given, dear children? Birth rate. If birth rate means the total birth per 1,000 person in 1 year. In simple way we can say that, dear children, the total birth per 1,000 person in 1 year in a given area is known as a birth rate. So dear children, we can say that the total alive infant in the 1 year per 1,000 person in a given area is known as a birth rate. For the past few years, if you have to see the information of the past few years, the birth rate in India has been constantly declining. People now exercise the family planning more than before. Now what happened at present time, we can say that the people are now exercise the family planning more than before. It means, like example, government has given the slogan that hum do hamare. So this kind of the family planning we have to see them. In rural area, the implementation of family planning is much less due to the lack of education, lack of health facility, poverty, unemployment, and ignorance about the means of the birth control. These all are the reasons we have to find in the rural area where the implementation of family planning is lesser. So dear children, today we have to learn about the density of the population, other factor affecting the density of population and the birth rate. Thank you dear children.